In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download videos from Kajabi. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to expect, and a few simple tips to make sure your file saves correctly on your computer. First, sign in to your Kajabi dashboard and head to the main sidebar. Click on Products. This is where all your courses or product content lives. Open the course or product that contains the video you want to save. If you're not sure which one it's in, take a moment to scan the titles or use your internal naming conventions to locate it quickly. Once you're inside the course, select the specific lesson that contains the video. You should see the video player near the top of the lesson page. Just below the player, look for a drop-down labeled Video Actions. Click that, then choose Download Video. If you don't see this option, it may be because downloads aren't enabled for your role or for that particular video. In that case, check with the site owner or your team's admin to request access. After you click Download Video, your browser will open the video in a new tab. Give it a moment to load. When the video appears, open the Videos menu. Depending on your browser and player, you can either right-click directly on the video or click the small menu icon in the player controls. From there, select Download or Save. Your browser will prompt you to choose a location on your computer. Pick a folder you use for course materials so you can find it later, and rename the file if you want something more descriptive. A quick tip: keep an eye on your browser's download bar or downloads panel to track progress, especially for longer videos that may take time on slower connections. Avoid closing the tab until the download is complete. If the new tab doesn't open or the download doesn't start, check for a pop-up blocker and allow the site. You can also try another browser if you run into unusual behavior. Most Kajabi videos download as common formats like MP4, which play on virtually any device. If your computer asks which app to use, choose your default media player. Finally, remember to respect content permissions and usage guidelines provided by the course owner. That's it. You accessed your product, opened the lesson, used video actions to initiate the download, and saved the video from the new tab. Follow these steps anytime you need an offline copy for personal use or team review. Thanks for watching, and happy downloading.